On May 2, 1949, the historic trial for the assassination of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi commenced in the Punjab High Court. After a rigorous 50-day trial, the verdict was delivered on June 21, 1949. Nathuram Godse and Narayan Apte were sentenced to death, marking the first instance of capital punishment in independent India. The execution was scheduled for November 15, 1949 and was carried out at Ambala jail. Notably, Vinayak Savarkar was acquitted due to insufficient evidence, while Gopal Godse, Vishnu Karkare and Madanlal Pahwa were released on October 12, 1964 after serving life sentences for their involvement in supplying weapons to Godse and facilitating the assassination. The assassination, which took place on January 30, 1948 during a prayer meeting at Birla House in Delhi, shook the nation to its core.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On May 2, 1921, the renowned Indian filmmaker Satyajit Ray was born in Kolkata. Ray's illustrious career spanned 36 films, earning him an impressive 32 national awards. Widely acclaimed internationally, his debut film, Pather Panchali, received accolades at the Cannes Film Festival and garnered multiple awards. In 1964, Ray collaborated with Kishore Kumar on the film Charulata, where Kumar lent his voice to a song without accepting any fee as Ray faced budget constraints. Ray's contributions to cinema were recognized with an Oscar Honorary Award for Lifetime Achievement in 1992, despite none of his films being submitted for consideration. Tragically, due to ill health, Ray could not personally receive the award and passed away from a heart attack on April 23, 1992, just a month after the honor. His legacy endures as one of India's most celebrated filmmakers. On May 2, 1929, Vishnukant Shastri, a prominent Indian politician and scholar, was born in Kolkata. Renowned for his mastery of Hindi literature, Shastri served as the governor of Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. His interests encompassed poetry, travel, education, literature, and philosophy, and he was celebrated for his eloquent speeches, often referencing verses from renowned poets. Shastri delivered lectures at universities and literary institutions nationwide, leaving a lasting impact on Indian intellectual circles. He passed away on April 17, 2005, leaving behind a legacy of scholarly excellence and profound contributions to Hindi literature and public service.
खानदानी लुटेरों की कोशिश होगी बेकार, फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार।
सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
On May 2, 2011, the mastermind behind the 9/11 attacks, Osama bin Laden, met his end. In a covert operation under Operation Neptune Spear, US forces located and killed bin Laden in Abbottabad, Pakistan, bringing closure to the hunt for the architect of one of the deadliest terrorist attacks in history. The operation, conducted without the knowledge of the Pakistani government, lasted a mere 40 minutes. Then, US President Barack Obama confirmed bin Laden's death, marking a significant milestone in the fight against terrorism. Born on March 10, 1957 in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, bin Laden was the founder of the terrorist organization Al-Qaeda. The September 11, 2001 attacks on the World Trade Center in New York City, orchestrated by bin Laden, resulted in the loss of over 2,000 lives and left more than 6,000 injured, making it one of the most devastating terrorist attacks in modern history. On May 2, 1519, the world lost one of its greatest minds as Leonardo da Vinci passed away in France. Renowned for his masterpieces like the Mona Lisa and the Last Supper, Leonardo's artistic journey began with sculptures at the age of 14. His talent quickly garnered recognition, leading to apprenticeships under esteemed sculptors. The enigmatic smile of the Mona Lisa, housed in the Louvre Museum in Paris, continues to captivate millions annually, making it one of the most iconic paintings in history. Despite extensive research, the Mona Lisa remains shrouded in mystery, with Leonardo's continuous alterations suggesting his quest for perfection. Leonardo da Vinci's legacy endures, his art transcending time and inspiring generations.